week 14, and the last 4 days have all been about carnival and partying and not working, definitely. So I haven't even touched this yet this week, but it's now Wednesday and I have a lot to catch up, so I better start. And I'm gonna start with the center case. I'm gonna mark and glue it today. So let's start. I'm going to mark it slightly narrower than the actual opening. So I have pre-coated the gluing area here and on the center case, and I've already thickened the epoxy here, and I'm about to put it in place. Let's make sure it's still on the center line. Okay, that looks all right. So that's the center case fitted. It took me about 2 hours to do that. There you go. I'm going to start working on a structure under the front deck and the seats, because I want to put some hatches in there. I'm going to have to change it from the plans. Basically, what I intend to do is something like this. I'll have one hatch here, one here, another one there, and on the back seat I'm not sure yet. I could put one here, but that will make it awkward with the tiller, or I can put two, one here, one here. Don't know yet. In each case, the opening size for the hatches I want, and I need about 300 mil on any of them. So if I put two bits here instead of the central one, I can have 310, 310, 310, so I can place the hatch at and in any of the places. I'll decide later. The same here, 310. These ones will be smaller. This is a center case. And that's the plan. These are 380 by 275. I'm putting this wood here, which is plumb, it's vertical. If you don't keep this straight edge aligned vertically, that mark there won't be straight. Let me show you. I hope you can see on the camera a straight edge. If I bend it, you probably can still see it straight, but if it's not kept vertically, see the difference? So you need to keep it vertical in order to have a straight line. That's the theory anyway. And what will the rear seat now? I bet you guys could see a lot better if I had switched the camera on. That's now dry and it looks okay. Nice and flush. Maybe just a little bit there to trim. I think I'm gonna start with that. The mast was rounded with a 12mm radius on the corners, so I'm going to use a 24mm to round the corners on the mast partner. It should really be a 26mm, not a 24, because even if you have 1mm gap between the mast partner and the mast, it makes for a bigger radius obviously, but 24 is all I have, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to keep applying epoxy on the end grain until this grows hard. Meanwhile, I'm going to work on the rear seat. Right, I have 5 centimeters less across here than I have on the end of this panel. So that means I have to take 5 centimeters out. So if I divide this in half and mark half of that distance here, that's where my line should go, on that mark. And that will still give me some margin of error because I have to put the panel back all the way to there. That's too much. That's better. That's that rear seat trimmed. Not my best work, but well. Mast partner in place. It's now gluing, the rear seat's trimmed, the front deck is trimmed. There's nothing I can do today, it's already late and tomorrow is Sunday. It's video day because I haven't even started it yet, and usually it takes me about 6 hours to edit and upload the video to YouTube. All the time that I'm working, I'm recording. So I have to go through all the videos, all the hours. I have 8, 16, 24, 32 hours of footage that I have to go through every week and choose the bits that I think you guys will like. So don't forget, when you see my videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, yeah? But now I'm gonna have a shower and dinner, and maybe tomorrow I can do a bit more, but I doubt it. I want to put a square hatch here. It's 300 by 300 opening. I'm not sure if I should reinforce this here and here, or it would be alright as it is. What do you guys think? Let me know. This week I worked 16 hours. I'm getting very close to the 250 hour mark. I reckon I'm about maybe 2/3 done. So let's say another almost 100 hours until I complete this. But anyway, who's counting? So next week I want to glue the front deck, glue the rear seat, and make the mid seat, turn it into a watertight tank compartment that I can put 2 hatches, and one on each side of the center case. That will add quite a bit of time to the build, because not only it's extra work, I still have to figure out how I'm going to do that. But I really want that. I want a place where I can store some dry clothes, some food, some fishing gear, and if I capsize, that needs to stay dry, watertight. I don't want any water going in there. So I'm off to make the video now, and you guys leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I see you all next week.